Hi, welcome back to my Mama's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be painting a ghost and decorating it with some surprise stuff. So, let's get into painting. Okay guys, so now I am going to paint these little stick thingies. So I'm gonna switch brushes. Okay, I'll be back when all this stuff dries. Hi, so the glue is dry and I'm going to glue these cupcake picks on to my ghost. So I'm gonna flip the ghost over and you're gonna take some tacky glue and you're going to put some of it on there. Okay, I'll be back when this glue dries. Okay, so the glue is dry. These are glued on. Make sure you put your string back in the hole so you can tie it so you can hang it up. And now we are going to glue these on. They are my feet, my ghost. Okay guys, so I'll be back when it dries.
Okay, beautiful beings, Taryn had to leave before her glue dried, so I promised her I would show her ghost. And I love it. It's unique. She's got pom-poms and cupcake sticks for the legs and feet. She's got a leaf and Halloween flowers, and all this stuff is from Dollar Tree. And she took 2 witches' hats and turned them upside down for teeth. And she used a spider for a nose. Another Halloween flower with a toothpick bat. And a toothpick cat that you can put cupcakes in a flower. And I love it. And the hands are skeleton hands. And they're just so cute. She was very, very creative. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful everything.